emerges from beneath the sand. Please can take me across, seems so far away. Across this universe, she lives another day. I know the reason she stays. I know the reason she's so far away. I know the reason she stays. I know the reason she's so far away.
The entire time.
Yeah.
The entire time.
And the guy's doing 3 miles an hour.
2 miles an
Whenever you
hour.
went around him, whenever I went to go around him, he fucking was like moving over. I'm like, dude, are you fucking kidding me?
I get it. They say fucking 20 miles an hour, but shit, you know what?
They also say 45 on 93 going to Boston.
I know. I'm not sure how far you guys want to walk out there.
This
I'm
is
not going
cool.
any further.
I'm,
Okay.
I'm happy with
I was
this.
gonna say, cause I'm out of breath.
There's no air, man.
Dude, John Rice used to climb this mountain.
With his legs? George Clooney plays rugby.
Do you know how to come down a mountain?
No, I've never done it. I'm assuming it's just first gear and don't
First gear.
don't touch
Leave it
the
in
brakes.
First gear and just let it ride.
Yeah,
Maybe second if you start revving real high,
yeah,
but let the motor do the work.
yeah.
'Cause by the time you come down this mountain, if you're in neutral, you
Red
will
hot.
have no brakes.
Red hot, rotor rips.
Yeah, you will smoke them, and you're gonna have to replace your discs, pads, you name
Yeah,
it.
I'm all set with that.
Might seize.
You're legit in a fucking cloud.
We're not even halfway up yet.
We gotta be more than halfway.
No,
For real?
I see a car up there.
no, dude, it keeps going. We got to the top. It inhaled. We stopped here and we stopped a couple other places because we just couldn't do it no more.
Yeah.
Like it was so foggy that you could not see a car until it's
Yeah,
like
yeah.
tied the front bumper.
That's what I was telling him. I was watching a guy on YouTube fucking riding up on his like ZX9.
Yeah.
Fucking couldn't see 2 feet in front of him, raining
couldn't
his
see
ass off.
anything. It was raining. It was hailing. We got up like past the, I think it said they say 2 miles, and then it turns into gravel over
Yeah.
there. So and after that it just opened up, and we just said fuck it, let's just keep going.
Yeah.
So we got up.
Nickel, how could we run from everything we have done? It only takes us reason she's taken. I know the reason she's so far away. I know the reason she's taken. I know the reason she's so far away.
That was awesome. Definitely glad we decided to do this. It's a great idea. Yeah.
There is nothing more annoying than when somebody calls their driver. I promise you, that is the one thing that literally I've canceled rides on people because they called me. Now, the worst thing you can do when you call your driver is say, "Hey, just wanted to let you know I'm in a hurry. So if you can get here as quickly as possible,